is, you know me already, damn it. And I have Zero with me over it. Oh, we're going now? Okay, so we're going to this like chip truck thinger and we're gonna buy fries and eat them. Zero over here, he is playing Maplestory DS.
Does that work?
Kind of, wait. Maplestory DS. It's all in Korean, and he doesn't speak Korean, nor does he read it. It's pretty cool. I'm putting my sweater on. Oh my god!
Did you hear that? Oh, get my new shoes in here.
Okay, these are the new shoes I was talking about that I got a few nights ago.
And these are my sexy new shoes.
There they are. There's my new shoes. And then there's Zero's new shoes. They're Element.
They are?
I don't know. Brand name. Mine are American Eagle. Hi guys. What's up? You're on YouTube now.
I hope you like YouTube. If you don't, you're screwed. That's okay. We witnessed you, therefore you're still in it. I still don't know where we're going.
The chip truck. Okay.
Remember that time?
Oh!
Your spot. Oh, and hit you with my backpack.
Hi.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi to YouTube.
We're actually at the chip truck now.
Hey, what do you guys want?
Poutine. Dude. Okay, we're at the chip truck. Share. Why would I share with that? I get 8. Squid. Okay, yeah. I don't mind.
Okay, you want what? Sweet potato fries?
No, yucky.
Ew, sweet potato doesn't grow.
I'm really not so warm. Oh god.
Yeah, I'm wearing shorts.
Ow. He's really hurting me. I think this is abuse. Abuse?
L-O-S-E. Wait, how do you do R? Like R?
They can't.
R. Loser.
Get a Canadian burger.
Can I get a Canadian?
A large poutine.
I like that. My battery's about to die, so this is Zero and Lexx. Zero and Lexx signing out. Fine, I won't put you in the end. This is Lexx signing out. Peace out.